right. I got it all sanded up, all real slick and smooth. I'm about to clean out the keep the dust down. Try to keep the dirt out the paint. Yeah. About right where we want to be. I would like it to be a little hotter so it'll dry faster, but that's okay. Got the color on. Had to fix a few spots, but it ain't come out bad. Get down, son. It's 100 degrees in here. I needed to drop like 5 degrees. We got the Cobra in the house. Engine out. I'm gonna start on this tomorrow. I'm painting the engine bay and the hood, the bottom of the hood. I've already been doing the body work on it. Soft top. Oh, buddy, he came by, he saw the bump, he about had it fit, bro. He said, oh man, that is, hold on. That shit clean. I have to get it under some light to really show you her. I'm gonna show you her. Day 3. I like to finish this, the engine bay today. I like to finish it today. That's gonna be my plan. The engine bay and maybe the hood. But this part right here is gonna be the big deal. All this stuff. That's not bad, but all the cords, I gotta unhit them, take them loose from the chassis. I'm gonna take that, all that stuff. I ain't gotta take it out, I just gotta take it loose so I can clean it, sand it, wipe it down again, clean it, and then paint it. I gotta tape everything up, but that's my plan for today. Did one of these, I had everything up. I didn't have to tape up nothing. I just had to sand it, so it's all good.